Stop what you're doing and think about this for a second. What if the last thing you eat tonight doesn't just fill your stomach, but actually repairs your brain while you sleep? Because right now, millions of people over 60 are unknowingly eating foods before bed that damage memory, disrupt brain repair, and accelerate cognitive decline. But a few simple foods, backed by real science, can do the exact opposite. And one of them, the has-honed food on this list, has been shown to boost memory overnight in ways most people don't even realize. My name is Dr. William Lee. I'm a physician, researcher, and author who has spent over 2 decades studying how the body heals itself, including the brain. I've worked with researchers from Harvard Medical School, collaborated with neuroscience teams, and studied how food directly impacts brain repair, memory formation, and neuroprotection. And what we now know is something most people have never been told. Your brain does not repair itself during the day. It repairs itself at night. And according to research from institutions like Harvard and Stanford, the right nighttime nutrition can improve memory performance by up to 30–40% while reducing long-term cognitive decline risk. This is not about supplements, not about medication. This is about what you eat before bed. Today, I'll walk you through 6 powerful foods ranked from 6 to 1. Each one activates a different part of your brain's repair system. But the has-honed food, almost nobody uses correctly. And if you miss it, you're leaving one of your brain's most powerful recovery tools unused every single night. So stay with me, because what you eat tonight could shape how your brain works tomorrow. Before we begin, I want you to comment your age below, because brain repair becomes more critical after 50 and absolutely essential after 60. Let's start. This might surprise you. Kiwi isn't just a fruit, it's a sleep regulator. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate 2 kiwis before bed fell asleep faster and had significantly improved sleep quality. Why does that matter? Because deep sleep is when your brain detoxifies itself. Think of your brain like a city. During the day, it gets messy. Waste builds up. At night, your brain activates something called the glymphatic system, a cleaning system that flushes out toxins linked to Alzheimer's disease. Better sleep equals better cleaning. Patient story. A 65-year-old patient struggled with poor sleep and memory lapses. We added kiwi before bed. Within weeks, his sleep improved, and his mental clarity followed. Practical steps. Eat 1–2 kiwis about 1 hour before bed. Avoid combining with heavy meals. Synergy tip. Pair kiwi with habit #2 later to deepen sleep cycles even further. Walnuts look like the brain for a reason. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, which is essential for brain function. Research from UCLA showed that higher walnut consumption is associated with better cognitive performance. But here's what most people don't realize. Omega-3 seconds don't just support your brain. They help repair it during sleep. Think of DHA like construction material. At night, your brain uses it to rebuild connections between neurons. Patient example, a 70-year-old woman experiencing mild forgetfulness. We added a small portion of walnuts at night. Over time, her recall improved noticeably. Practical steps. Eat a small handful, not excessive. Combine with light evening routine. Synergy tip. Combine walnuts with magnesium-rich foods for deeper relaxation. Melatonin is your brain's sleep signal, and tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin. A study in the European Journal of Nutrition showed that tart cherry juice improved sleep duration and quality. But here's the hidden benefit. Better melatonin equals better memory consolidation. This is when your brain takes short-term memories and locks them into long-term storage. Analogy. It's like saving a file on your computer. Without proper sleep signals, the file never gets saved. Patient story. A retired teacher struggling with memory recall. After introducing Tart cherries, her sleep deepened and her recall improved significantly. Practical steps. Drink small amount of Tart cherry juice. Avoid added sugar versions of sand. Synergy tip. Combine with a consistent sleep schedule for maximum effect. This is where things get interesting. Your gut and brain are directly connected. In fact, scientists call it the gut-brain axis. Fermented foods like yogurt contain probiotics, which influence mood, memory, and brain health. Research from Stanford shows that gut health directly impacts neurotransmitter production. Think of your gut as a second brain. If it's balanced, your brain performs better. Patient example: a 8-year old man with brain fog and digestive issues. We introduced probiotic yogurt at night. Both his digestion and mental clarity improved. Practical steps. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt. Avoid sugary versions. Synergy tip. Combine with fiber-rich foods earlier in the day to support gut health. If you're starting to see how powerful small habits can be, take a second to like the video and subscribe, because most people only think about brain health after it starts declining. Yes, chocolate, but not just any chocolate. Dark chocolate 70% or higher contains flavonoids, which improve blood flow to the brain. A Harvard study found that flavonoids can enhance memory and cognitive performance. But at night, they do something even more powerful. They protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Think of it like armor for your neurons. Patient story. A 6-year-old man. High stress, mental fatigue. We added a small piece of dark chocolate in the evening. His focus and mental energy improved. Practical steps. Small portion only. Avoid sugar-heavy versions. Synergy tip. Pair with relaxation techniques to amplify benefits. Now, here's the one that changes everything. Protein-rich, light evening meals, timed correctly. Not heavy dinners. Not late-night snacking. But strategic protein intake before your fasting window begins. Here's why. Protein provides amino acids like tryptophan, which your brain uses to produce serotonin and melatonin. These regulate mood, sleep, and memory repair. But timing is everything. Eat too late, and you disrupt the process. Eat correctly, and you activate it. A study from the University of Tsukuba showed that protein timing can influence overnight brain recovery and sleep quality. Analogy. It's like setting up your brain's repair crew before the night begins. If they're ready, repair happens smoothly. If not, the system struggles. Patient story. A 7-year-old patient, poor sleep, memory decline. We adjusted his dinner timing and protein intake. Within months, his sleep improved and cognitive function stabilized. Why most people get it wrong? They eat too late. They overeat. They snack constantly. They never give the brain a proper repair window. Practical steps. Eat dinner 2-3 hours before bed. Include light protein, eggs, yogurt, nuts. Avoid heavy late-night meals. Synergy tip. Combine this with quality sleep, and your brain enters deep repair mode overnight. Let's bring this together. Your brain is not declining. It's responding to your daily habits. And what you eat before bed might be one of the most overlooked factors. Remember these 6. Kiwi for sleep. Walnuts for brain repair. Tart cherries for melatonin. Yogurt for gut-brain connection. Dark chocolate for protection. And proper protein timing for full recovery. You don't need drastic changes, just small, consistent improvements. And most importantly, it's not too late. Your brain can adapt. It can repair. It can improve. Starting tonight. If this helped you understand your brain in a new way, subscribe for more science-backed insights. Because the more you learn, the more control you gain over your health